Warm welcome from Germany to the screens. Great that you are here. My name is Chris. I'm the responsible product manager for Automotive. So what we're going to see today, it's all about what we have developed more or less in the last 10 years. Today it's pretty cold here in Germany, -4 degrees I've seen in the car. So I hope it's much better at your place. But today we're going to talk about automotive. And for the first, it's pretty important that you please all mute your microphones and your cameras. Then you will have a better internet connection, better performance. We have an active Q&A section. So that means when you have some questions, just throw it in, type it in. My colleague Della will take care of it. And we will answer all the questions during the training, during the webinar, or at the end of the webinar. So just write in, type in all of your questions. Everything or every question will be saved there and nothing will, we won't lose any question from your side. Today we're going to talk about the automotive trainings concept from Lukas Müller and also a little bit with the input of the IMI. So the IMI is mainly about the automotive qualification. So that means that you can add and you have like, some unique points, unique benefits there that you can add to the training systems, even an automotive qualification. So that means you don't just have a training center. When your students run through the training center, through the different tasks, by the end of it, they can do an end test, a final test, and get the qualification for it and get different qualification inside the automotive area, while we are focusing right now the hybrid and electric vehicle section for these qualifications. But at first, let's start with the general concept of LN. So what is the automotive concept here? We have basically 3 different levels in the automotive concept. So we start from zero, from scratch, what we do with the Unitrain systems, where we will start right now after this shot here. Then the second section or the second level is about the different, more advanced systems where you use a lot of real components from the car and where you have a lot of practical tasks, workshop tasks, where you do directly diagnostic tasks on the system. The big advantage to the real car is that everything is absolutely student safe. So in other words, the training system cannot kill the student and the student cannot kill the training systems. That's especially when we are talking about high voltage cars, extremely important. And the last step then, so when we have prepared all the fundamentals, when we have prepared the workshop task and run through all that, then we go to the last step, which is something like here, in that case, the Audi Q5 Hybrid, our digital integrated trainings vehicle. So that means with this vehicle, we have, of course, a full function vehicle. It's like state of the art and it's a brand new car from the road, but we have modified it a little bit with some advanced systems so that you can connect it, for example, to a laptop or to a tablet and activate faults just by hovering through the e-learning course and just clicking on a page, and you can get different faults inside the car, do diagnostic tasks here. You have a lot of breakout boxes where you can do measurements on it. And so this would be the final step. And these 3 steps, again, they close then the chapter of Lukas Müller Automotive. So from the scratch up to the expert level with Lukas Müller or with our training systems over here. Right now, we will start with the fundamental systems, which is called the Unitrain systems. At the Unitrain systems, 1 or 2 people are working on it. And they are really there for that you can introduce the different automotive training topics, fundamentals, Canvas systems. So basically everything what is important to start with for automotive. And now we have a look at these kind of training systems. So we just have to move the scene. All right, so right now, you see here everywhere the different Unitrain systems. This is, of course, just a small part or a small choose out of the different Unitrain training systems. We start here from the right-hand side. We have, for example, a fundamental system for CAN bus. What is special about these systems? So you see, if you want to explain something like bus system on the real car, This is really, really difficult because as we see the back car in the background, the big car in the background, you can't really see this bus systems in this network architecture because it's hidden inside the vehicle. What we have done here, we have just brought it out. So we have took the CAN bus from a real car and put it on these two cards so that the student can focus just this topic now of CAN bus system inside automotive. So we forget about all the rest of the car and just focusing that topic. And the big benefit here is that we have a real CAN bus running in this training system. The big benefit for this is we cannot only use the CAN bus in this system here, we can also connect real systems like the door. And just give me 1 minute, I will connect that here, that you see how everything is working together. So we have special instruments for that, where we can connect everything. So then I just grab the cables. And now we have connected it. I think, Dela, the door is, you will see the door? Perfectly. And now you see, because here we have a real CAN bus system and here a real CAN bus system is working, we can connect everything with each other and control it. So we can control the real door here from a production car through the CAN bus system over here. Everything works together. The windows, central locking,